now. Take a step outside and seize the day now.
Hey guys, I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you my nighttime routine. Obviously I look different. I got bangs. I just kind of did it one day because I felt like it. So yeah, but this is my nighttime routine that I'm going to be showing you today. There's not really much to my nighttime routine. There's not really a routine at all. It's just I'm going to be showing you what I'm doing at night and what I do at night. So first, after I eat dinner and everything, I wash my face and then brush my teeth. I'm going to show me washing my face because I don't want my phone to get wet and get damaged or anything. So I'm not going to show that. And then I'm not going to show me brushing my teeth because I just think that's like weird and like gross watching somebody brush their teeth. I don't know why, it's just something about me that I just think it's weird. So yeah, let's jump right in. Okay, so I'm about to wash my face. I'm in my bathroom right now. Sorry if it's echoey. I'm gonna brush my teeth and wash my face, and I will see you after. Okay guys, so I'm all done with that, and as you can tell, I changed my shirt because my other one got wet. So usually after I wash my face and everything, I usually kind of just hang out in my room and either play my Xbox or I kind of just watch TV or listen to music. But what I washed my face with was with Biore charcoal face wash. Cannot talk today. And I used like my electrical scrub thing and I kind of just did it all over. Bangs are messed up. And so yeah, I have usually just I have decided that I'm going to watch TV. I'm sitting on my bed right now because it's comfortable and I'm in yeah. So it's about, hold on, 7:06. I usually go to bed around 11, so yeah, it's a while, but I kind of start winding down and getting ready for night around 7 or, however, 7:30. So yeah, I'm probably Netflix, and so I have a Roku. So hold on. So I'm debating on, so I want to start watching The Vampire Diaries. My mom watched it, and I kind of liked the episodes that I would see here and now when she was watching it downstairs. But I don't know if I'm ready to commit to it. And then I also want to watch Supernatural, which I'm already halfway through the season again because I rewatch it. I cannot wait for the 15th season to come out on Netflix. Let me tell you. So I'm kind of debating right now whether to watch Vampire Diaries or Supernatural. Or I could watch Lucifer. Probably not Lucifer. Natural because I'm in the middle of it. So yeah. I will let you know how that goes. So see you in a bit. Okay, so I didn't end up watching Supernatural. While I was looking for it, I came upon this show, and it's called Always a Witch. Now obsessed with it. It is so good. I don't really know what I'm gonna do now. I might crochet, or play my Xbox. I actually might play my Xbox. I'm gonna end the video here. Please like and subscribe. Leave comments down below. Just video ideas, anything you would like to see from me, anything at all. That's about it. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye!